Social media marketing is a powerful way for businesses of all sizes to reach prospects and customers. Companies can interact with their customers in a non-intrusive, personalized way to turn them into repeat buyers and lifelong customers. If you're not speaking directly to your audience through social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, you're missing out. Great marketing on social media can bring remarkable success to your business by creating a loyal fan following and a flood of new sales, leads and traffic to your business. Building a presence on social media can be time-consuming, frustrating and above all expensive if you try to do everything yourself without any prior experience. One of the key factors to use social platforms is to produce shareable content that your customers and prospects can interact with and make buying decisions. This is where we come in. Our agency specializes in producing high-quality content and drastically transforming your company's online brand. We can take care of the entire process from start to finish, including the creation of social media profiles for your brand on popular platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. We will also help create highly engaging videos and content that you can post to grab the attention of your prospects and turn them into sales. Our prices are affordable and the best in the business. Please contact us for a no-obligation quote. We look forward to working with you.